Of all the small pets found at a shelter, you'll most likely see more rabbits than any other species. If you've considered a rabbit but don't know much about them, our resident bunny expert Sam Tungle is here to explain everything you ever wanted to know about rabbits as pets.
Did you know rabbits are the third most popular pet after cats and dogs? If you see a rabbit in your future, there are a few things you need to know. First, there are many different breeds of rabbits. They come in different colors, sizes, and weigh anywhere between 2 and 20 pounds. And, just like other pets, their personalities vary too.
I think rabbits make excellent pets. Some are really shy and it takes them a while to come out of their shells. Some of them have very big personalities and they want to just take over your entire house. It really depends, but every single one is an individual and I think that they're amazing.
If this is your first time owning a rabbit, you want to be sure and have everything you need before you bring your bunny home.
So I think that rabbits are a bit like children and you should probably prepare for them before you bring them into your house. They have a lot of accessories.
Decide where your rabbit will live. Most experts advocate that your rabbit live inside your home. This provides much-needed social interaction along with protection from predators and severe weather. You can use a puppy pen to block off a corner of a living room or family room, giving your rabbit ample space to hop around. A puppy pen can be easily adjusted if you want to gradually increase the area to eventually give your rabbit free rein in a bunny-proof room. Other supplies should include a litter box.
So this is just a very small litter tray that I brought as an example. There are a variety of litter trays. I actually think the bigger the litter tray, the better, but this is great for starting if you have a baby rabbit. You can actually litter train rabbits, which is super handy. And I like to line this with paper bedding, and the rabbit will tell you where it wants to use the litter box. So wherever they're, choosing to go, that's where you put the litter box, and before you know it, they're using their litter box.
Make sure you line the litter box with unscented paper bedding. Since rabbits most likely will chew on anything you put in their litter box, avoid wood chips or pine. Make sure your rabbit has access to plenty of water. Since rabbits will sometimes kick over their water bowls, many owners use a water bottle they can attach to the side of a pen. Hay is very important to rabbits. It helps clean their digestive system as well as provide them with something suitable to chew on.
Rabbits always need access to clean, fresh hay. This helps with their teeth and their digestive system and keeping their GI tract healthy. But this would be a #1 must-have, and this has to be made available to rabbits all the time.
Include fresh veggies and pellets high in fiber. The bulk of veggies should be leafy greens and not carrots. And don't forget toys. Rabbits love toys, and they don't have to be expensive store-bought toys either.
Here we have just a standard toilet paper roll stuffed with their Timothy hay, and they will play with this just like any other expensive toy that you get from, a fancy pet store.
Are rabbits good with children? Well, that depends on the child and the parent.
Families who have kids who know how to properly interact with rabbits, it's great. They do bite, so that is another thing to keep in mind. And they have sharp little nails as well. So supervised, really any age depending on the child and the parent. But if you want to just kind of let your child have a pet, probably older children.
The Fairfax County Animal Shelter has rabbits available for adoption. Stop by and visit available bunnies in the small animal room today. For information on the care of rabbits, visit the Quiet Ones blog and the House Rabbit Society website.